Now call in the matter of the people versus Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello? Can
Hello?
you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can
you.
hear you now. Something going on with the phone. I'm in the side of the building.
I was about to say, it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney. Okay.
And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter. At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, I don't want a contract at all.
I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
All right, Timothy Williams, if you could unmute your phone and turn on your camera for me. All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Timothy Talley Williams. This is ticket SP 1409982. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 1467130, tinted windows. Ticket SP 1466801. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driver's license never acquired. Ticket SP 1409983, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1418401. Count 1, open alcohol motor vehicle driver. Count 2, tinted windows. Count 3, failure to wear safety belt. Ticket SP 1452301. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hey, good morning, Judge. I'm Christopher Sinclair, 512 on behalf of Mr. Williams, present on the screen via Zoom. We consent to proceed via Zoom.
All right, give me one more time. You got to go again. It's breaking up a little bit, Attorney Sinclair.
All right, I'm Christopher Sinclair, P80512, appearing with on behalf of Mr. Williams, who's present on the screen, and we consent to proceeding via Zoom.
Thank you so much. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Timothy Williams.
Thank you. Counsel, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Mason this morning?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This is the city prosecutor. It's a housekeeping matter. We have one where the defendant is self-representing himself. He and Investigator Donahue, they're in a breakout room. They're in breakout room 12. So that case is ready to go. He doesn't have a lawyer, though. That's why I didn't want you to.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got to put on the other earphone. It's me. I'm sorry,
Okay.
Judge. So yeah,
Okay.
he doesn't have
Attorney
lawyer.
Mason, we're in the midst of another hearing right now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought
It's
that you were
okay.
on house breakout. Sorry.
No, it's okay. All right. Attorney Sinclair, how are you moving forward?
Yes, ma'am. Just for the record, it's my understanding Mr. Williams has a total of 14 tickets before Your Honor.
Yeah.
I had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney. An offer was extended if you plead to 3 improper plate tickets, 1 seatbelt ticket, 2 improper tent tickets, and 1 reduced count of open alcohol passenger, which is a 2-point ticket that the city would be willing to reduce, to dismiss all of the other files. I did have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Williams, and in light of that conversation and what he initially told me his goals were, this offer did meet those requirements. However, he's choosing to reject the offer at this time and move forward with any and all subsequent court dates in pro per status.
So you're not going to represent him, Mr. Sinclair?
We've reached an impasse in our conversations, and we have not been able to resolve the impasse. So no, ma'am.
All right. He made a valiant effort, Mr. Sinclair. Only reason why I'm saying this is because I was like, yes.
Yeah, I get it. Totally.
Okay. All right. All right, Mr. Williams, well, we're back where we started at a month and a half ago. Back to a jury trial date or a trial date, bench trial. What would you like to, but next time we just gonna move forward. I don't know what else to do at this point in time. This can't be on my docket for 12 years. We got to move forward.
Last time you were saying the jury wasn't ready, so.
Oh yeah, they weren't. You're right. It wasn't your fault last time because I had some, other matters go before mine sometimes. So it was some matters of higher jurisdiction, I say, or higher priorities in my cases last time. You're right.
Yeah.
All right. So how would you like to move forward at this point in time? Do you want me to set it for in-person jury trial, or how do you want to move forward? Let me know.
We can set it for a jury trial.
Okay. All right. My next jury trial date is September 16th. Let me make sure Attorney Mason is going to be here and present for that day. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. And Attorney Sinclair, thank you for your services in this particular matter. Since you are no longer needed, you can go ahead and log off.
Got it. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.
Everybody money hungry.
Attorney Mason, I need you when you get a second.
Hey, Your Honor.
He would like to have that jury trial again. Are you in the office on September 16th for a jury trial?
I appear to be, yes, Your Honor. At this point, I am.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I know it may change, but I just want to make sure I wasn't doing it on a pre-scheduled event where you weren't present. Okay, thank you. That's it, Attorney Mason. Thank you. All right, Mr. Williams, does that work? That's my soonest date I have is September 16th. Unmute yourself for me, sir.
You said September 16th?
Yes, at 9:30 a.m. in person.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll have to have
right.
that final pretrial that Friday before, which is the 13th of September, just to make sure you're ready to move forward, okay?
Okay.
You can do that via Zoom, though, like how you are, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so in person on the 16th, via Zoom on the 13th, just to make sure we're moving forward, okay?
Okay.
All right, 9 a.m. for both, 9:30 for both times, okay?
All right. See you then.
See you then. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Yep.
All right, bye-bye.